Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and get to know me video. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell at the top of the page. And let's get to today's video. Okay, so I'm just going to start by putting my hair back here. Just 1 second. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this Andalo Naturals Color Plus Correct Sheer Tan SPF. I really like this one because it's mineral based. And it's good for sensitive skin. So actually, I'm just gonna shake it and start with putting just a little bit on my cheeks, forehead, and chin. So I haven't really done a get ready with me with a get to know me yet. So I have some more followers now and I thought it might be good to do a get to know me. Just a look into who I am as a person. So yeah, my name is Trina. I grew up in British Columbia, Canada, so I've lived here my entire life. I have no plans of leaving British Columbia anytime soon. I love it here. I grew up in Powell River, actually. If any of you have been to Powell River, please let me know in the comments. It is a beautiful little town along the Sunshine Coast, and I actually grew up in front of the ocean. So I feel like that's why I'm so drawn to the ocean even now as an adult, because I grew up in front of the ocean and I just feel at home when I'm by the ocean. I currently live in White Rock, British Columbia, and I feel like that's why I like it here so much, is because it's by the ocean. So I'm married, I'm a Christian, I've been a Christian my entire life. So if any of you want to know more about my testimony, I'm thinking about posting a video pretty soon about my testimony and why it is I became a Christian and why I remain a Christian to this day. I met my husband about over 2 years ago. Actually, how we met is I was working at a health food store in the supplements department. So I was a wellness consultant. And it was during COVID when there was a lot of people that were like just looking for natural alternatives to boost their immune system. And so my husband came in actually as a customer, and he was looking to boost his immune system during COVID. And so I helped him find supplements. I helped nurse him back to health. And so he started out as a customer. And then he became a friend. And then eventually we got married. I'll actually post a wedding picture right here so that you can just see what we looked like and what my dress looked like. It truly was the happiest day of my life, and I prayed for a husband my entire life. As a Christian, I just was waiting for the man that God had for me, and so I just waited until God brought me the right person. So if you're single, if you're a single person, and either you believe in God or you don't, just try praying to God and asking God to bring you someone. You might be pleasantly surprised. So I do have one older brother, and we get along really well. He also lives in this area, and my parents live close to me as well. I'm very close with family. I love having family close by. It's, I wouldn't have it any other way, to be honest. So as far as hobbies go, I'm quite musical. If you didn't know this about me, well, I guess you wouldn't know because I'm sharing it for the first time, but I actually play the violin and the piano. So I played violin since I was young. I was in lessons and I got to book 9 in the Suzuki Violin School. And I also took piano lessons as a teenager, so I wasn't in piano lessons for very long. So I'm a lot more skilled at the violin than at piano, but yeah, I'm very musical. As far as types of music, I like country music a lot, as well as dance music. I like pop. I also like gospel worship music. The church that I go to right now is sort of like a Pentecostal style church, so I do like a lot of gospel music, but yeah, I'm very musical. Also, as far as hobbies go, I love animals, so I want to get a dog soon. I love taking care of a dog and like walking a dog. So animals is like a huge passion of mine. I actually had a dog recently. She was a Pomeranian Chihuahua cross, and she actually passed away. She was 12, but she just started getting sick a lot, and so long story short, she's in heaven now with Jesus, but I want to get another Chihuahua at some point soon. So yeah, dogs is one of my hobbies. I also really love video games. So my husband and I, we like to play video games in our downtime. So we have almost like every console, I guess. We have Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and right now my favorite video game that I'm playing is Infinity Nikki. It's a dress-up game, and I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, that's been my go-to video game at the moment. It's a big hobby of mine. Yeah, I don't really, to be honest with you, I don't have a ton of hobbies. Like, other than just music and video games and exercise. Also just going to the beach, but I don't know if that is considered a hobby. My husband and I are moving very soon, so we've been really busy just getting the house in order and just going through like all the subjects. We are actually gonna move into a 2-bedroom condo, just for a little bit more space, and just in case, you know, we want to like I get pregnant or something, that way at least we have a spot for baby if and when I get pregnant. So yeah, we're looking to upsize. And I actually love moving. My husband does not like moving, but I love moving. I think it's a great change, and I'm going to be filming some of my moving as well, like create a little moving vlog. So stay tuned for that. So as far as careers go, I have my diploma as a healthcare assistant. So that was my career. Like during my 20s, I went to college and I worked at a long-term care home. So I dealt with residents with advanced dementia. So I would get them up and ready in the morning, like do everything for them, like morning routine. And it was a pretty stressful job. It was very rewarding. So I worked in long-term care, and my main job was I worked as a float. So I would like go to all of the different units, and I would just help out wherever the nurse and the care aides needed help. So I would like feed, toilet residents, all that stuff. And a lot of the time too, I was dealing with residents who were like very aggressive. You know, you get smacked and hit and bit and scratched and all that stuff. So I've seen it all. Cleaned up a lot of poop. So it really helped to like toughen me up, I would say. Like, I'm a pretty tough person, I think, in ways. I mean, I'm also quite sensitive, but I can also be very tough. So that kind of career definitely toughened me up. So I worked in long-term care for a few years, like a couple years, and then I did assisted living, which was a little more my style. It was easier, less stressful. So I would do like medication administration and just help the nurse out and all that stuff. So, and then after that, I ended up getting a job as a wellness consultant at a health food store. So that's where I met my husband, because I'm very passionate about health and wellness, but more holistic health. I've even had thoughts of like, you know, maybe one day getting my holistic nutrition diploma, so that I could be a holistic nutritionist, like that sort of thing. Really interests me, and I love to help people out in that way. But yeah, so that's what I've done for careers in my adult life. Also, as a teenager, I worked just a lot of customer service jobs. So I've done a lot of grocery stores. I worked at like Booster Juice. So I've worked customer service a lot. I've worked at an eyeglasses store. So yeah, mostly customer service. So I just want to show you my outfit. So this is the finished beach look. I'm actually going to the beach with my mom today, and this is actually just a dress that I got at Winners. It's very comfortable, and yeah, it's just cute little beach dress. This is actually one that I wore on my honeymoon, and yeah, I wore it on my honeymoon when we went to Waikiki. I'll insert a picture here. So also, once I'm at the beach, this is the SPF that I like to use. So this is just natural sunscreen, SPF 40, non-whitening. This is a mineral sunscreen, and so this is the one I'm going to be using all over my body. Yeah. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my Get Ready With Me, Get to Know Me video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.